Ever since the Allied forces had landed on the beaches of Normandy, the papers on Sodor had been predicting the German collapse. So far it had not happened, but when it finally did, the engines were all caught off guard. The day started off so normal. Edward was heading from the big station down to the end of the line with a troop transport train. A light breeze blew over the blue engine as the sun dazzled him and his coaches. When he arrived at the other end of the line, he found himself being sent into the yards. There, with the yard shunter, met him.
My, what's happened here, Whiff? A German ship came through last night. It launched some of those doodlebugs and a bunch hit the station. Oh, bad luck. It survived the blitz, only to be taken out on the final stage. Germany's a bitch. Yes, it's a real disappointment, but they say they're gonna rebuild it better than ever.
Just then, the yard foreman ran up.
Edward, go back to the big station right away. Whiff, the Fed director says he wants you to come too.
Edward was puzzled. Why, sir?
No time to explain. Quickly!
And the two raced off towards the big station. Everywhere they passed through, there were people cheering and singing. When they arrived at the big station, they found all the other engines there. Henry sat with empty coaches while the platforms were crowded. People flooded the station, celebrating. It was a surreal sight.
My, what's happened?
We've done it, old boy! We've won the war!
Really?
Yes, it was announced earlier. Nazi Germany officially surrenders. This is really one for the books, lads. I almost lost hope after that doodlebug attack on Barrow. Jolly good show, everyone! The engines whooped and cheered. Then the fat director got up onto a trolley.
This is a remarkable day, and to celebrate, we're gonna have a big parade down the main line. Everyone is welcome, free of charge. Engines, get your coaches!
The engines all scrambled to grab some coaches. They assembled just behind the station and paraded down the main line. Word spread before them, and everywhere they went, there was cheering and festivities. Not wanting to just stop in the yards at the terminus station, the fat director brought the parade to a stop at the workstation. The people got off and crowded all around the fat director and his engines.
I can't believe it. We've won, sighed Edward. We beat the shit out of the Nazis. Language, Thomas. Let him have it, Edward. Oh, all right. Everybody, 3 cheers!
All the engines whistled happily. The war was over.